Happy Lunar New Year. I'm with my Mini SE, the drone. Last time I just crashed and fall into the snow, and this gimbal has some problem. So this time I decided to send it back and get the new one. So we already applied for that, already paid 199 yuan. So the delivery also already called. Today they cannot come because no people there. So tomorrow they're gonna pick, and tomorrow we're gonna send. Today is 4th February, so tomorrow 5th February gonna go, and after that I don't know how long it takes. We'll see, and I will let you know about this one. Maybe in another blog I'll do it about this. Anyway, this one is just the problem. There is no problem, no damage, just gimbal cannot connect. Unable to connect gimbal with your joystick or app, whatever. So we're gonna send this drone only, and hopefully I will get the new one. Anyway, this is okay to have, for the beginner, but there is a problem because this one have less sensor, so it will toss the things very easily. Also, it's small drone, and that time it was a little bit windy, so maybe that's why it tossed so quickly. That little bit trees things, Anyway, according to the price, this is best drone to have for beginner. But beginner need a good drone like which has this bypass service like a DJI 3 it has. So maybe I'm gonna go for that in the future. Let's see. Anyway, before that I need to get the new one, and still I can use for a few things. So I'm gonna show you some drone shot that I took before it crashed, and hopefully we'll see you in the next blog. Anyway, I'm gonna have many blog between these days, so stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next. And until that time, enjoy and have a good time and enjoy the drone shot.